This is the video of my morning trading session, and I'm just going to give you a couple of quick reference points. So the way that the screen recording software is set up, it recorded everything. So it recorded my big monitor up here with my two charts, and this is my NinjaTrader for that prop account thing I'm working on. And then this is my Thinkorswim, which is on my laptop down below. So this chart right here is the ESYM, and that will stay in that general area of the video throughout the course of the whole video. However, I will be kind of like popping in closer, kind of zooming in on the different charts as it relates to what's going on in the trading session. So this is the ESYM. This is the RTY-NQ, this chart, and it'll always be in this position. That will always be in that position, the ESYM. This is Thinkorswim, my setup where I'm actually doing the trading. And in this window here, these two chart windows, this is going to be the 2-minute chart on either the ES and the YM, if I'm trading that one, or the RTY-NQ. Those are separate. And then this is the 2-minute chart with the 200 lines combined together into one chart. So I'm just gonna let this run real time because it's probably like 30 or 40 minutes, and I just don't have enough time today to edit it all out or narrate it. But I'll try to pause like right before a trade is made or right after and show the different charts, just so you can kind of see, hopefully see why I'm getting in or getting out. And if any questions, just let me know. Just get a hold of me. And maybe I'll have more time later on to do one where I kind of narrate it better and just explain really in detail like what's going on. But for right now, I just wanted to get this out to you guys because I don't know when I'll be able to do that. All right. Hope it helps.
Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So right here, I'm leaving a lot of money on the table. Ugh. Up here on the 15-minute chart, you can see we're getting close to this pivot. I wonder if it's going to go to there and then pause. Over here on the ES, just looks a little sleepy today. Maybe going up, but we have this hit to hit before any real action on my part anyway. This Russell, though, could go down to that. I'll probably just take my profit and leave it. I mean, I can't complain. That was a quick one. We see the NASDAQ here going up nicely. But this may be the turnaround for both of them. Let's see. The Russell here is kind of running out of steam, it looks like, maybe. I'm happy with this. This is good. This will buy me a couple bean burritos today. If this breaks down right here, if this breaks down below this, like it looks strong going down, and all these other signals line up, and this remains strong, I may go in back for a little bit more. It looks like this is turning around. Oh, so look over this. Look, so the this one is taking off here. What's going on there? Holy moly! Let's do that. Let's say bye. So this is taking off all of a sudden. It looks really strong. I'll probably switch gears here and move this over to my ES charts. That's a good daily profit. That's fine. Let's go over to this. What is that big bump all about? Come on. Okay, so we're kind of underwater here with this ES one, but that's okay. Let's see what's going on. Okay, so this second 2-minute bar is breaking above this one, so that's what I want to see. I want to see it end above that one. We're down about 120 bucks. So our signals over here, the bell curve's up. This is coming up a little bit. This is backing down a little bit here. We can change this to see the full candle. Okay, so we got a loss here of about 175. Over here, this all looks strong still. We have the up, the dominance is going up. We have this bell curve who's kind of moving around. We're reaching this this resistance right here. Let's see if we go up and hit this line. If we can burst through it. Okay, so I may pull the plug on this for a second. I'm going to pull the plug on this just to kind of see what's going to happen here. Pulling over into a rest stop here on the 5 freeway, getting out, stretching, going to the bathroom, maybe buying a soda or something at those machines. So we're down 250-ish on this one. Let's just see what this looks like it'll do. So the dominance is coming down now on it. The bell curve is red. Over here on the NASDAQ, you can see that this bar has really moved up. I'm going to change these to the 5-minute bar. 5-minute. Okay, so this is the 5-minute bar up here. Ay, ay, ay. I'm going to reset that. Okay. Okay. Let's see what we got going on here. So our 2 minutes going down now. Oh, look at the, so the S&P is really just kind of chopping around. We're showing a 250 loss, but don't worry. What, me worry? We should get that back. So I'm just watching the S&P here. So the ESYM, it's down here at this previous low. I'm going to see what happens here. So look at the Russell. The Russell's totally turned around now up here. The Russell NQ. Okay, so we have our ES and our YM here. Let's see what this is going to do. This is the ESYM is really just kind of weird today. I don't remember seeing that recently. This up, down, up. God, it sounds like somebody's getting murdered down there. So this is all chop in here. I don't want to get in there. I don't want to get stuck in there. And also, so this, the train view chart up here, I'd rather wait till it either breaks down below this to get in, or if it breaks up above that, strongly either way. I don't want to really get in here. This is just kind of a range to get chopped up into a million pieces. Same way with this. So on the Russell side, if we can break above that strongly, that resistance there, and if it breaks below this strongly to the downside, and everything else is in line. I'm just kind of sitting on my hands waiting. Okay, so it looks like the ES is coming up here again, hitting that pivot line. Let's see what happens there. Maybe we can go long again. I don't think the signal's in yet. So if this bar here, what is the 5-minute bar? Let's go to the 2-minute. If this bar were to go above this and close, the entire bar close above this one, and then the next one goes through that higher, even higher still, that's where I'd get in. That's where I'd go long, and make sure that these all align. So it looks like it may go up there now. Let's see. Okay, come on, Bean Burrito. This is some Hassan chop right in here. I'm going to turn this into M2K. Oh, fuck. M2K. M2K, MNQ, 1 and 3. Okay, here we go. Looks like the ESYM's going up now. See if we can break out of this. See if we can break out of this, like this range here. Let's go. Okay, so this looks like it may be going. Everything's looking good on this. I'm going to wait for that bar to close. Come on, bean burrito. That's my, see my resistance line there. Want that bar to close above that, and then the next bar to start to take it out. So it's backing off. Looks like it's getting timid. It's scared. It doesn't want to go up there. Looks like there's our opening range. We got our green and red opening range. Is it going to do it? Come on, bean burrito. So it looks like, oh, that's not, I can't tell from that. It looks like the line is set. The 2 line is set. That bar is not closing above that though. It's bumping up against it. Will it break through? It looks like it's breaking through up there. Come on, bean burrito. Okay, so it just, you can see it went right up to it. It didn't close above it. Maybe this next one will. Over here on the trading view chart, the dominance is pointing down now. Oh, so check this out. So this is going down. It looks like I'm going to do this. So I'm doing the M2K NQ short based off this chart right here. I'm going to change this to the 2 minute. Okay, I think we should be able to hit this this pivot line. That's going down. That's going down. I'm trading the smaller, the micros on this. Okay, let's see what happens over here with the ES. I think the ES is going to break through. So that M2K chart, that trading view RTY-NQ chart, looks like it looks good. Everything looks like it's going down. It's going to run into that orange. I think that's a pivot line. There it goes. So I'm going to get out of it when it hits that thing. I'm out of there. So I'm going to buy 3 back. I may hold on a little bit and watch that dominance line and that bell curve. Meanwhile, this is trying to break through over here. It looks like it's going through. Okay. Come on, bean burrito. Okay, there it goes. So that went through it. I could get out of this. I'm going to watch it for just a second. Okay, it looks like the dominance is going up, so I'm going to say buy, sell. Let me get out of that. So that's just a little win there. That's about 9 bean burritos. Now, also the ES just broke up through it, so I'm going to go long short this and see if this can get up to that green resistance line. And meanwhile, I'm going to keep my eye on this. If this continues to come down, we could hit. Let's see, where's the next line at? There's the next pivot. So if we get a good close below this, and then a breakthrough of that, I may go short the MQ or the M2K again. This is just the ESYM is acting real sleepy. Come on. Give me it. Give me it. Okay, that looks like that's a strong move up. So far so good. We can see the ES coming up here, inching its way up towards that orange pivot line. We have this green resistance line we could work towards. The dominance is up. The green bar looks pretty weak. This is the 2-minute. Okay. Take a look at this. Okay, come on up. Take me up to that green resistance line. Everything's looking good with the dominance. It's kind of, oh, look at it. Oh, it's pointing down now. I'm gonna wait though. Let's see what the 5-minute looks like. The 5-minute chart. I think we'll go up there. Let's see if the 2 line has set. The 2 line on the ES. Okay, so there's the 2 line. So the 2 line is saying that it's an up day. Okay, well, good. Because we're up. We're bullish. 2-minute. Come on. Okay, so our loss is increasing now. Now we're at minus 335. So I could just pause here again. I'm just going to give it another second. I may just pause and wait to get a better idea of what the... Oh, so now it's moving down pretty nicely. I'm going to give it a second here. Okay, so right now we're at a loss of like 350-ish. Waiting for this guy right here, the ESYM, to make up its mind what it's going to do. It's just kind of like tired, getting out of bed, doesn't want to get up, it's yawning, stretching, trying to stand up, do something for the day. Okay, come on. Let's get up. Let's get up out of bed. Let's get going for the day. Let's go up there and meet that green line. Is this it? Could this be the one? Could this... Oh. Son of a... You sucker. Jerk. Oh, there's a big jump up. Okay, let's do this. Come on. Come on, let's do it. Looks like it might be moving up now. Now, I may go long one of these. An extra one is risky, but I could catch up if I went along one extra ES here. I want to wait to see if there's a good move. On a really strong move, you can just pop in and out of that real quick and make up the difference pretty quickly. So it's 7 a.m. So that thing just kind of started moving right at 7. That's weird. Okay, so here we go. We got some action going on now. So here's our ES. Here's our YM. If we get some strong action here, I may add one more ES to it to kind of accelerate it, amplify the move. We're catching up though. Look at, so we're at 362, profit 445. So we're about down $100 now. So we're closing in on that loss. Up here, we're getting close to that pivot line. Oh, we have super strong dominance. The green bell curve is, you know, it's pretty strong going up. We're getting closer to our to overcoming this loss here. And meanwhile, the Russell Nasdaq is back down at its lows, so that may be another move down. Let's see here. Okay, so this is getting nice and strong now. Come on, Bean Burrito. For this Russ, oh, look at that! Holy moly, that may be too much already. I'm gonna take it. So I went 3 short, 1 long MNQ. Let's see if I can increase my profit on this. This probably could come down to that orange. Look at that. That's just moving right down. And this thing is taking off too. Holy moly, what's going on? So 34 and 0, so that's nice. We've increased that. This one we're still at a loss. Okay, here on the Russell, we have the bell curve is down, the dominance is down. This is getting down towards that orange line. If it's that orange line, I'll probably get out of that. To get out, I need to buy 3. That looks pretty nice. That's like, we're at $50 there. I think it could go down to that orange line and hit it. And I think that the ES over there could hit that orange line above it. So let's see. So we're about break even on the ES right now. Come on, guys. They're both, look at that, they're both about the same distance away from that pivot. Oh, there goes the green one. So this is probably a good time to get out of everything. Let's say, oh, so we're still at a little bit of a loss, $20 loss. This may pop up. if this pops up, I may like dive in and take one extra one of those. This, probably shouldn't push my luck. I don't like having two positions on open at the same time. So I'm going to buy, let's see, where are we at? So we just went positive on the ES. I'm going to get out of this one. Hit that. Oh, shit. Oh, I made 50 bucks. Okay, so now we're over here. So I'm a little bit, I have a little bit of profit as we move above this green line, and over here the dominance is super strong going up. The green bell curve is going up. This is working out. Okay, so we're at $25 profit. Oh, look at this. Should I do it? Dave would kill me. Dave and the other Dan. But well, we'll see. So still at a profit over here. I might just get out of this. I feel like I'm pressing my luck. And look at this. Oh, there's the Russell. It's just kind of. Is the Russell going to keep going down? What's the next? There it is. Oh, look at that. Holy moly. Okay. I should probably get the heck out of these. Okay, so I'm going to say, let's say sell and buy. Okay, nice. So we made about, what is that, 80 bucks? Made 50 bucks over here. So I'm out of everything right now. So let's just watch this. This could keep going down over here.